Welcome to the next episode of Building My Backyard Halfpipe. In the previous episode, I built that 8-foot wide, 3.5-foot high section. And I was going to skate that for a little while before I expanded the halfpipe. And then I thought to myself, let's just do it all at once. So here I am building the decking to which the extension is going to sit.
So I got this piece on here, 20 feet. And then I use a 3, 4, 5 triangle. That's 4 feet, 3 feet, and then this is 5 feet. I did the same thing over here, so I could square it up, put an extra little block there for support. And that's going to help me with my post that I'm digging. So just going to dig the hole, get some posts in, secure it, line it up. And then I will be putting the joists across using joist hangers, because that's the easiest way to do it.
As I explained previously, I'm building a deck, and I'm building the half pipe on the deck. And the reason being is that maybe the half pipe is no longer used or rots out in the future, and at least I'll have a deck in the corner of the property that I really have found no use for. I could put a shed on it, or I could put a gazebo, or just use it as a plain old deck. But at least there'll be a structure there when the usefulness of the half pipe is over, which I don't really hope that happens.
Something really helpful to do is to take a framing square and just mark down 3.5 inches in a straight line. That way you know your screw placement. There's a lot of times where you're trying to do it by sight and you end up just missing the 2x4.
Another tip is to use pieces of furring strip. In this case, I was using the stakes that I had left over, put them on top of the 2x4s, and that way you let them sit on the transition as you screw them in. That is a great way to do it if you're working by yourself. Even though my son is right there, he wasn't helping that day, and I had to do this all by myself. As you can probably tell, I like to keep my videos between 3 and 5 minutes, so we're running out of time here. I wanted to include building the roll-in section. Yes, I have a roll-in in my mini ramp, and there was literally no information about building a roll-in on the internet. So I'm going to dedicate a whole episode to that. That's going to be the next episode. So if you enjoyed this video, again, make sure you subscribe, like, hit the notification button, and I will have the rest of the episodes out shortly. Thanks for watching and have a great one.